Hi guys, welcome you all for the next video. Today we are going to discuss about tunnel mode. Here tunnel mode is nothing but in IPsec, and we have two modes. The IPsec will operate on two modes. One is the transfer mode, and another one is the tunnel mode. Here today we are going to discuss about a tunnel mode. A tunnel mode is nothing but this is the mode when the security association which is built between the two IPsec gateways or routers and a host. And here IPsec will offers high level security. Why it will provide high level security means like we are using virtual private networks or gateways or the routers to transfer the data from one like a client to server or between the 2 points, and VPNs or the gateways which will provides the high security. Here tunnel mode is a method used in virtual private networks to encapsulate and encrypt the data packets. Here it will here private networks whatever we have. See why we are encrypting the data means data packets means we need to provide from the unauthorized accesses. That's why we are encrypting the data packets. It will provide the secure tunnel from the data transmission between the two endpoints over the internet. And we will come to know in the figure which, so with using VPN and without using a VPN, how the data will be transmitted in the secure or not secure. And like user device and the internet, we have between that we have virtual private network, like a VPN virtual private network client, and another is virtual private network server. Between that internet service will be provided, like to share the data from clients to the source. And here virtual private network clients, whatever the data which will be transferring through the internet service, here data will be encrypted, providing the preventing the security from unauthorized accesses here also. And like this using VPN, the data will be encrypted and secured between the two endpoints, between the 2 points. And without using VPN, how the data will be transmitted between the two devices. User device we have, and we need to send the data to the internet, and here we are using between that internet service will be provided, but data is not being encrypted. But here we can't able to give any it will not provide whatever we have that the data which is not encrypted, which is not secured. Securely it will transfer from like a user device to internet. We can't predict that it will transfer. It will someone will access that and it will be ended. That's why with VPN and without VPN we have so much difference. And here virtual like a tunnel mode, see in this mode entire IP address will be IP packet will be protected. So it will encrypt both the payload and here in the tunnel mode it will encrypt both the payload and this one IP, like a IP header, like original IP header. Here the encrypting the IP packet, and we are adding the new IP header into that. So here finally we will come to know that tunnel mode which will offers high security level. And how tunnel mode works, we will discuss in this slide. In the tunnel mode, the original packet is encapsulated within a new IP packet for the transport. And see before in the before slide we have discussed that this process involves adding a new header to the outer packet, and it will encapsulate the IP packet, entire IP packet, and it will add new IP header into it. The original packet header remain protected from the external visibility, enhancing the security. And how here the data packets will be communicated through the transfer mode and tunnel mode. In the figure we will know about it. Here see the client and the client 2 we have. In this we have between the internet. Like this the data packets will be transferred in the transfer mode. And here we have a gateways between the two points Here gateway 1, gateway 2. Then the by example we have a client have a gateway, and there the data will be like encrypted. Next, to the internet provider, like internet service provider, data will be going to the next gateway 2, and it will be encrypted, and it will send to the server like this. That's why the tunnel mode, which is which will provide high level security. The key components of tunnel mode. The main component involved in the tunnel mode include that tunnel endpoints and the encapsulation protocols. The protocols, we know some set of rules or algorithms, and how the two entities will communicate on the network. And there are common encapsulation protocols used are IPsec and GRE, which provides encryption and data integrity. And tunnel endpoints can be a routers. See why we are using routers. It will see to transfer the packets from one point to another point. We are using the routers. And the firewalls, these are the security monitoring systems, and if any unknown traffic we are finding in the network, it will prevent the security. That's for that purpose we are using the firewalls and dedicated VPN appliances that establish secure connections. And we will come to know in the figure. See advantages of tunnel mode. See the main advantage we have in the tunnel mode, it will provide the high security level. It will provide the high security. And tunnel mode offers enhancing the security features, making it ideal for transmitting sensitive data. If you want to send like sensitive data, the tunnel mode is very much useful to share the secure and confidential data from a client to server or server to the client. And it enables the creation of a secured connection over a public network, and safeguarding user privacies. It will protect the like a user privacies. That's why it will prevent a high security in the tunnel mode. See, the many organizations are using tunnel modes only to share their confidentialities between them. And next come to many organizations, the applications come to the application. Many organizations are utilizing the tunnel mode, secure remote access to internal resources and applications. It commonly employed in connecting branches, offices to share their resources. We have the remote access. That remote access, we have a server, and we have computers and a file hosting, and here remote access. See between each, if you want to share the confidentialities or privacies, the tunnel mode offers a high security, and no one can access that information.